A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, today's video of Max class 6 chapter number 6 bar graph. In this video we will see the practice set number 18. Children, in your lower class you have learned about the pictograph. So let's recall the pictograph. Example, a pictogram of the type and the number of vehicles in a town is given below. Taking one picture equal to 5 vehicles. Write the number in the pictogram. Student, in your screen there are types of vehicles are given and the picture of the vehicles are given. We have to write the number of vehicles. Types of vehicle, first one is given bicycle. There are total pictures are given 6. One picture equal to 5 vehicles. So here 6 vehicles are given. So 6 5 are 30. So bicycles are how much? 30 number. Second type of vehicle is given motorcycle. Total 5 pictures are given. One picture equal to 5 vehicles means 5 into 5 25 motorcycle. Third picture is given auto rickshaw. Only one picture is given. So one picture consider 5 vehicles. So number is 5. Bullock cart. There are 3 pictures are given. One picture consider 5 vehicles. So 3 5 are 15. So bicycle is 30. Motorcycle is 25. Auto rickshaw is 5 and bullock cart is 15. This already you know how to do it. In today's lecture we are going to see bar graph. Student, bar graph paper look like this. You have got the bar graph book. In the bar graph book, left side you have the graph paper. In the right side you have to write the question related to that bar graph. Now already we have the information that vehicles, bicycle, motorcycle, rickshaw and bullock cart. And number of vehicles we have got 30 bicycle, 25 motorcycle, 5 rickshaw and 15 bullock cart. Now student, a bar graph we have to draw like this. So horizontal line is the x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. On a y-axis we have to represent the number of vehicles. The scale will be given to you. So scale on the y-axis is given 1 unit. 1 unit means 1 centimeter equal to 5 vehicles. So on y-axis we will represent the numbers table of 5 because 1 unit is given 5 vehicles. So table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. In a bar graph paper, there is 2 types of line. One is the bold line, second is the faint line. So in the bold line, we will write the number of vehicles by 5. Now, in horizontal line, there is a vehicles names are given. We have to represent that. Bicycle is given, motorcycle, rickshaw and bullock cart. Always remember that student, the distance between any 2 adjacent bar should be equal. So bicycle was given 30. So here we have drawn the rectangle bar till the 30. Motorcycle is given 25. So the height of the motorcycle is till 25 we will take. The height of the rickshaw is given 5. We will take till the 5. Bullock cart is given 15. We will draw the bar till the 15. In the x-axis we will write the name of the vehicle. Y-axis we will write the number of vehicle. This is the way to draw the graph. After this, bar graph. A vertical bar graph is a type of graph in which we show the data in the form of rectangular form. You can specify what each horizontal line stands for in a bar graph depending on the number that you need to represent. Now let's start with the practice set number 18. Question number 1 is given. This bar graph shows the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. Observe the graph and answer the question. The bar graph is given. While observing this bar graph, we have to give the answers of given question. The first question is given. What data is shown on the vertical and horizontal line? The vertical line we can see the temperature of the cities, and in the horizontal we can see the name of the cities. So the temperature of the cities are shown on the vertical line, name of the cities on the horizontal line. Second, which cities had highest temperature? If you see the bar graph, which cities has the highest temperature? Chandrapur. Chandrapur has the 35 degree Celsius. So answer is Chandrapur. Student, you have to draw this bar graph to the left side of your bar graph book and this question answer to the right side of the bar graph book. The third question is given. Which cities had equal maximum temperature? If you see in the bar graph, Panchgani have 25 degree Celsius and Mathiran also have the 25 degree Celsius. And Pune have the 30 degree Celsius and Nasik also have the 30 degree Celsius. So the first one will come Panchgani and Mathiran 25 degree Celsius. Second one is Pune and Nasik 30 degree Celsius. Now question number 4. Which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? So 30 degrees Celsius, which cities has? Pune and Nasik. So Pune and Nasik had the maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Fifth one. What is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Panchgani have the 25 degrees Celsius and Chandrapur have the 35 degrees Celsius. The difference in the temperature of these two cities are 35 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius. We get 10 degrees Celsius. Children, today you have learned to observe the bar graph and answer the question. I hope you have understood this video and thank you for watching this video.